Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. I live in Seoul, South Korea. Today's topic is Hyun Bin and Son Ye fortune analysis. At the request of YouTube subscribers, I analyzed the fortune-telling harmony between Hyun Bin and Son Ye. Both of them had a very good fortune, but their way of thinking was so different. They may be attracted to each other because they are different. Should they be attracted to each other and fall in love, or are they different from each other and not in harmony? The letter referring to Hyun Bin's self is matter. He is a bit picky, neat, and he thinks he is different from others. It is a letter that is usually compared to jewelry. It shines everywhere. Characters with attractive magical powers are in the most powerful position. The blue heart part is attractive energy. Hyun Bin's fortune is blistering. Therefore, someone with a warm fire energy is needed. Also, fortune has a process-oriented mindset. He has excellent language skills. His writing and speaking skills are excellent. So, he expresses his thoughts and feelings well in writing and in words. Physical intelligence is excellent too. Therefore, it fits well with the job of being an actor. It also has very favorable conditions for acquiring knowledge. It is also suitable for teaching what he has learned. His artistic temperament is so strong that he chose to become an actor. There are no energies that represent the result in the fortune and no energy that control himself. He has free-willing soul. Now, here is the most important way of his thinking. If he did his best and he is happy, he is satisfied with it. So is it more appropriate to supplement this, or is it more appropriate for someone with the same mindset? I think Ji Chang-wook and Nam Ji-hyun, who were analyzed earlier, have something in common, and I think that complementary relationships are the best. Son Ye-jin's letter pointing to herself is a tree. She has to be the first everywhere. She has to be the leader and to be revealed. It has the strong will and spirit. However, the fortune-telling system does not have the ability to write and think among language abilities. The stronger energy is very powerful, that values the results of the activity, values it, and controls her well. She has the opposite energy from Hyun Bin. If the energy that controls her is strong, she controls her life very well and controls her emotions well and takes care of her life well. Hyun Bin's job role is researcher. He is good at using what he has learned right away. It's a good fortune to enter the education field because he has excellent language skills. Since the present are important, artistic excellence and ongoing activities in various leisurely arts are very well suited. Son Ye is a good fortune when she becomes a leader. Honor is also an important fortune, so it's good to be a part of any organization in the future. Or even if she is in entertainment, she will continue to show her name because honor is a sure fortune. The chemistry between the two, in conclusion, does not seem to fit very well. But after a few years, Hyun Bin is getting a good fortune coming in all at once with a smart woman and a huge wealth. If they are in a relationship where they are waiting for some time, then maybe they will get a good result. That's because both of them are lucky to meet wonderful people who have clear spouses. We have reviewed their fortune-telling harmony at my subscribers' request. I hope the attraction will work out well. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.